In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a drawing in the Xsheet or timeline. If you're working in a traditional animation layout, the Xsheet or timeline is where each frame of your animation lives. Think of it as a grid of cells where each cell represents a specific drawing at a specific moment in time. Copying and pasting within this grid is a fast way to reuse artwork, adjust timing, or duplicate poses without redrawing. Start by selecting the cell that contains the drawing you want to copy. A single click on that frame will highlight it, confirming it's the active cell. Make sure your focus is on the Xsheet or timeline panel, not another part of the interface, otherwise the shortcuts won't apply to the right place. If your project has multiple layers or columns, double check that you're in the correct one so you don't accidentally pull the wrong drawing. With the correct cell selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac to copy. You won't see anything change immediately, that's normal. The drawing is now on your clipboard, ready to be pasted. If you expected a preview and didn't get one, don't worry, most animation tools keep this action silent but reliable. Next, move to the cell where you want to paste the drawing, click that destination frame to make it active. Take a moment to confirm the frame number and layer. If that target cell already contains artwork, pasting will replace or stack depending on your software's behavior, so it's a good habit to choose an empty cell if you want a clean result. Now press Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac to paste. If nothing appears, make sure the timeline has focus and that you didn't accidentally deselect it. Also check that you didn't copy something else in between. Copying any other item would overwrite your clipboard. You should now see the drawing appear in the new cell, exactly matching the original. This lets you reuse the same artwork across different frames, speed up your workflow, and tweak timing without introducing inconsistencies. If the paste landed in the wrong place, simply undo and try again. To place the same drawing in multiple spots, keep selecting new cells and paste as needed. That's the whole process. Click the source cell to select the drawing, copy it, click the destination cell, and paste. It's a simple sequence, but mastering it saves time and keeps your timeline clean and consistent.